the bamboo forest. It's beautiful, isn't it? You know, most people never connect with nature anymore. When you connect with nature, you're picking up the frequencies and vibration as nature intended, as God intended, as consciousness intended. The energy in a natural setting is quite different than the energy in a man-made setting. The energy in a natural setting will ground you and bring you back to true reality. And true reality is not the world of duality, but actually the world of oneness, connectedness. So when you come into a setting like this, you're being brought back to true reality. When you go into a setting that's man-made, let's say Dubai, where it's all man-made things, then you're going away from true reality into the illusion of duality. Embrace nature and watch yourself increase in consciousness and awareness, compassion and love, and a feeling of inner joy and bliss that surpasses all human understanding. Much love.